Hey YouTube, somebody asked me about Bullseye by Paris, Texas. So I'm going to just break the song down for you. Starts on F. It's in the key of F. You can play this on a bass or a keyboard or a guitar. Then it goes to D. And then A. They're playing only 6 beats on the F, but it's 8 beat bar, but they're only playing 6 on the bass. 6 on the D, and I think they go a 7 on the A. So you'll have to listen just to double check that. And then towards the chorus, they eventually get into playing. All 8 beats. So again, A is in the key of F. So if you, at the end we hear a chord arrangement of it. It's a F, D minor, and A minor. Those are the chords. It's in the key of F. And then we have a little riff. So that's just playing at the B string at the 5th fret, and then we're just going up to the 6th. It's out of the D minor scale, I believe. Most important thing, they're purposefully doing minimalistic arrangement here, because we hear at the end of the song that they can do a full arrangement, but they're just choosing to focus on just the very simple elements of the song. What does he say? Smoking cigarettes till my lungs bleed. Jumping off the roof. This is not Assassin's Creed. So it stops. The beat stops, but the vocals keep going. Cigarettes bleed. Creed. Okay. Thanks for that request, and hopefully this breakdown helps you. Have fun playing.